How to add widgets to your iPhone home screen. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're looking to add widgets to customize your home screen on your iPhone, simply go on ahead and tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Once you do that, you're going to click on Edit on the top left. And once you do that, you're going to click on Add Widget. This will show you all of the different widgets that you can add, and you can pick out the widget that you like. Let's say that I want to add my sleep debt, and I have different types of energy calendars. So I want to add my sleep debt widget, and then once I do that, I can move it around and choose the placement of my widget accordingly, like so. Once completed, click on Done on the top right. And just like that, our widget has been added. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.